Welcome to our Photoshop document editing service, where professional document editing meets precision, quality, and attention to detail. Do you have a document that needs text corrections, formatting adjustments, image replacement, or other visual modifications? Our Photoshop document editing service is designed to help you make clean and professional edits while maintaining the original appearance of your document. With Photoshop, we can carefully edit text, replace images, adjust colors, modify layouts, and make visual corrections according to your requirements. Whether you need a small correction or a more detailed document modification, every element can be handled with careful attention to alignment, spacing, fonts, and overall design. Our Photoshop document editing service can be useful for editable document designs, scanned pages, image-based documents, forms, presentations, brochures, certificates, and other visual files that require professional editing. We focus on keeping the edited document visually consistent with the original wherever possible. One of the key benefits of our Photoshop document editing service is attention to detail. Text placement, font appearance, image positioning, margins, colors, and spacing are carefully reviewed so that the final result looks clean and natural. If you have a specific editing requirement, you can provide the original file or a clear image of the document along with your instructions. We will review your requirements and work according to the details you provide. Our Photoshop document editing service is suitable for personal projects, business documents, design work, educational materials, marketing files, and other legitimate editing needs. We also understand that every document is different. That is why we provide customized editing based on your specific requirements instead of using a one-size-fits-all approach. If you are looking for reliable Photoshop document editing service with professional attention to detail, you can contact us for more information and discuss your project requirements. Payment options are available through Crypto, Zoom, Remitly, and Western Union. Thank you for choosing our Photoshop document editing service for your professional document editing needs.